That's 7400 Metro Boulevard. I recognize these. I think these are Alexans. It's all mirrored in here, yay. What angle? I think Aaron has a video of these and they were getting modded. Oh, this is boring. I already hate this. I don't think I'm gonna bother seeing the other one. You can even hear the motor. It's like so quiet. Oh wait, overshot the floor. Here, I'll tell you what, I'll write the other one up. Want it up here. I'll try not to do my face. Here's your COP. God, these are slow. 2,000 pound capacity, innovation universal buttons with A88 phone. Okay, well, let's see. The other one sounds like it has an epic motor. I'll write it. If it doesn't, I'm not gonna bother. Very modern cab. I'm not gonna get the back. Yeah. They suck. They're boring. I think these are Otis. There it goes. That'll be it.